Alright, this is my bike check of my 2010 Miracle Luckstar. It has stock black label forks with animal GLH tires with a demolition stem, shadow conspiracy bar ends. I don't know what kind of grips they are. Stock black label handlebars, 27.5-inch width. The Miracle Luckstar frame with a pivotal seat. Don't know what kind of seat it is. Got it for free from a friend. Profile LE cranks with a 22 tooth animal sprocket. Stock black label pedals. Stock back rim. Odyssey stock back tire. My front rim is a Odyssey Hazard light rim laced to a demolition hub. Stock headset. And that's pretty much it. Thanks.